Hello everybody and welcome back to Vlogmas day number 6, I think.
Hello.
So today is going to be all about Brandy. Listen, Jenna Marbles left the internet this year and I think, you know, that was one of our many losses of 2020. So I'm gonna give you some good solid dog content today with little Miss Baby over here. Tonight, she doesn't even know what's coming. We are making her some 3-ingredient homemade treats that I will teach you to make for your pup at home, and we are going to turn her little paw print into an ornament. So if you want to just see some wholesome, lovely dog family content, then please keep on watching. Picking up on something tonight is for her because she's just standing near our toes watching us read the instructions for what we're supposed to be doing. Because despite the fact we've got a, 2 college graduates up in here, we can't figure out how to make this ornament. So we're needing this bag. Also, this was from what, Marshalls for $5?
Yes.
So if you want to do something sweet for your pet, I would recommend this.
I can pick her up. I'm good at picking ladies up.
Ladies, plural? Okay, that's fine.
Oh, who's excited?
Now, do I put the whole thing just in here?
Yeah.
Feels wrong, but I'll do it.
How long do you need it? You needed it for like 10 seconds. Oh, 30 seconds.
Give it one of those. It's still too much. Hold up. Listen, they give us a lot. We could make 2 ornaments with her little paw print in it.
We could. Maybe I'll make one with my thumbprint.
We could do one with our little thumbs and make a heart out of it. Can we do that?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. It's also going to look very homemade. Like, it's not going to look like it was professionally done.
It's not going to look like that? What the heck?
Okay, so now do we just put her little paw in it? Like,
well, let's just read.
if she doesn't like this, we're not going to continue with this because we're not about making her do things she doesn't want to do. But I'm going to grab some treats and hope that that will, like, satisfy. Yeah, do you want a cookie? Here's a little cracker. No,
she's going to want to take it away to eat it. Uh-oh.
Okay, it's okay. We're going to show her everything is good. Here, take this. Or not. Hey, Brandy, sit.
Oh, good girl.
Can I see your paw just really quick? I don't know if I'm like pressing it hard enough. Is that good? That looks good, right?
Yeah.
Hold on, it's like very faint, but you can see it for sure.
Yeah.
Should I try one more time a little bit deeper?
Yeah.
Okay.
You just want help with this one? Oh no.
Oh no.
This is now playtime.
No, this is not what we wanted. Oh, good girl. Good girl. She seems okay with it.
Her face looks so stupid right now.
Perfect! Good girl! Oh, it's cute! I like it.
I like it too.
All right, so
It's the right amount of homemade, you know?
So I'm going to leave this
Yeah.
out to dry, and I'm going to put the ribbon on it, and you'll see it when it's done.
Yeah.
And we are going to make the treats later after my camera charges. Bye. Hello everybody and welcome back. I guess it's not really welcome back for you, but it has been 24 hours for me. We fully intended on making Brandy's treats that night. We got into RuPaul's Drag Race, we got distracted, I got tired, I had a headache, and we just decided not to. So I'm gonna show you how the ornaments turned out. Her little paw is still sitting in its mold because it's taking a while to fully harden and we wanna make sure it's perfectly done before we do it, but I love it, it's really sweet. And then I believe it was off camera, Ben and I tried to make a little heart out of our thumbs. It's not very good, but we're gonna put a date on it and I love it. It's perfect the way it is. In case you're wondering, this part of the video will be without Ben and Brandy because I was supposed to take her to her dog training class tonight, and as I was on my way out the door, some kind of dinner situation hit me bad, and so now I'm home. Look at that, that's pretty cute. Let's just throw her on the treat while we're at it. It's really heavy. Okay, that'll work. Now to what I was supposed to do yesterday, and I didn't. This will actually be a great surprise for Brandy because she's at her little school right now. So I preheated the oven for 350, which is the only part I remember. Here it is. Peanut butter, banana, and rolled oats is all I need. So let's scroll all the way to the bottom because for some reason every recipe has like their life story before you get to the thing you're supposed to be at. Blitz the old-fashioned rolled oats in a blender. All right, let's do that. Ben's mom got us these cute little measuring cups that I'm absolutely obsessed with, and I don't use a lot because of the fact that they're pretty, but for the sake of this video, I suppose. Ooh, I'm spilling all over the place. Okay. Ben made me promise. He was like, you're not feeling well, so you have to lay down until we get home. I was like, of course. Meanwhile, I'm gonna make dog treats, and then when I'm done with that, I'm gonna go out and get him Reese's or something to say thank you, and I'm sorry that I was supposed to take her to the class tonight. Okay, so this perfectly fits the amount. I'm going to blend these quickly and skip over it so you don't have to hear the horrific noise it's about to make. BRB. Okay, in a large mixing bowl, smash the peanut butter and ripe banana. So we need a half a cup of peanut butter and 1 large ripe banana. But first, before any of that, we need a large bowl. This is not a large bowl, but it is a medium bowl. And I think it is all we need for a dog such as Brandy. None of these bananas are incredibly ripe because I bought them yesterday, I think 2 days ago now. But that's gonna have to do. Why am I unable to I can't open this banana. What do you use to mash? I feel like that's, I don't know. This doesn't look like the smartest choice. It's like a very small spatula, but like, I feel like it'll cut through things well. And then it'll like mash everything. I don't know. I should probably throw the peanut butter in there before I start just like mashing away. I'm gonna see if I can use this banana thing so I don't have to make another thing dirty. Wow, okay. Half a cup of peanut butter feels like a lot. I'm just trying my best to both put out a little bit of content that maybe Jenna Marbles would if she was still on YouTube with us, and be like a little bit of a good dog mom. You know, Brandy's very patient with Ben and I all day while we're working. So I feel like it's my responsibility as a new dog mom to give back to her and to make sure she knows how appreciated she is. I'm in like vlog mode right now because I've been filming a different video all day today where it's just, I don't want to say me being me, but like just talking about what I've been doing. I'm still trying to find what this channel is going to be all about. And I guess that's what I'll talk about while I mix this. But I want to find what my purpose on YouTube is. Because I love YouTube. I love content. I love making it. I love watching it. I love the like analytical side of YouTube where you see like what works versus what doesn't, and the concept of the algorithm and the trending page. And I just watched a Smoky Glow video where she's talking about, I forget what it is, but it's like clicks, like monetizable clicks per video. Oven's ready. And just all this stuff where it's like, I would love to work like directly for YouTube, even not as a creator, just like someone who like understands everything. So since that's not really an option, this is an industry that I'm incredibly interested in, long story short. So if I can't make it on the back end, I might as well just have some fun on the front end of it, even if like it's more for me than it is for everyone else. The banana's like about as mashed as I can get it. It looks pretty good. Okay, so add the oat flour and smash with a fork until it's thick and well combined. Not gonna use a fork because that means getting something else dirty. But I will.
I made a mess. Oh, I made a big mess.
All of the flour in there before. Now let's do a little mixy mix. I've said multiple times in this video, I was very sick and just forgot to give like an after shot or like any context for that. So now they're going in the oven, as you're about to see.
Next we have one of the other things that I got, which is so pretty. It has the red, the...
As the same with the last video or tomorrow's video, I forget what order I'm posting this in. I'm a day late, but Brandy is obviously back from her class. Her cookies are done and hardened up, and she won't eat her breakfast because she's being a brat, so I'm gonna throw it in her bowl and see what she thinks. Do you want a cookie? Come here.
Oh.
Come here, she's interested. She's very interested. Let's throw it right on top of her food.
Oh, Brandy. Oh.
Will you take a bite? Do you want me to like break it up for you? It's kind of big. Look, let's like break it up. And I'll put a little piece down here for you to try. All right, so she might not like it.
She doesn't hate it,
Well,
but
she
she's
doesn't.
unamused.
She doesn't get it. She's licking it. Oh, there she goes. She got a piece. There we go. So there's my pretending to be Jenna Marbles. Oh wow, she one bited that. Oh no, it's a little chewy, but it's peanut butter, so that makes sense. There's my video attempting to be Jenna Marbles. I will never be her. The dog content is a lot harder than I guess it looked for me. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Please comment, like, subscribe. All of my normal social justice links will be down below. Please check those out. And Ben, when are we gonna see him?
Tomorrow.
Bye.